How to schedule a post on LinkedIn profile. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a post on LinkedIn profile. To schedule a post on LinkedIn profile, you can use the LinkedIn's built-in scheduling tool. For that, first of all, open your LinkedIn application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the central button below, you will be able to locate the plus icon. Simply tap on it and then you will be able to create a post now. Here you will need to enter the text for your post. After that, if you would like to add any images, videos or documents, then you can tap on the image icon, video icon and the plus icon at the bottom right corner, and then from there you will be able to include them. Now after that, you will need to tap on the clock icon located in the top right corner of your screen, and then this will open the scheduling dialog box at the bottom. Now here you will need to choose the date and time you want your post to be published. Also you will need to be mindful of time zone if audience is in different regions. Tap on the state text box and select your date. Tap on OK once selected, and then tap on this time box and select your time. Once selected, tap on this OK button right here and then tap on next button at the very bottom. Once after doing that, you will be able to see the date and time at the top of your screen. And after that, finally tap on the schedule button at the top right corner of your screen to save your scheduled post. By doing so, you'll be able to schedule a post on LinkedIn. So by following these steps, you should be able to schedule post on LinkedIn. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.